One of my biggest failures was when I was working on my master's thesis. I was studying oil spill impacts, which is a topic that's really personal to me, that I'm really passionate about. A year into my research, I had to change projects. I had the option to either quit and drop out or ask for help. I started a completely new research project, and I ended up graduating later than planned, but I did it, and I developed new skills because I did a completely different research project. But at the time, it felt like the world was crumbling around me, that I was never going to be a scientist, I was never going to graduate, and I had to kind of come back to reality, create a game plan, figure out what I needed to do to get through this rough patch, and I did it. Yeah, asking for help and believing that you can always get through tough times.